put your competition out of business with these simple hacks. Number one, the faster you go from idea, and that's more of a concept to grasp first. The faster you go from idea to promotion, the more money it will make. That's something I actually learned from Grant Cardone. The thing is that people always are looking to, oh, I'm creating this product. Well, I got to create the product first before selling it to people. No, you're losing months of potential promotion that you're not using to your advantage. And when you're going to be finished with your product, you're going to stop promoting and you lost a bunch of time. When you can actually be, I don't know, documenting the process of you creating the product, and that can be an extremely intelligent way to promote it. So the cycle goes like this: idea, promotion, not idea creation, idea, promotion, and while you're promoting, you're creating your thing. And you're doing the rest of the process and the steps needed. But the faster you go from idea to promotion, I got this idea, let me do a post. The faster you go from idea to promotion, the more money you will be able to make with your products. Now, number two, create an offer that's irresistible. And for you guys that are not on YouTube, you don't see my slides, but I put it irresistible. Actually, written it the wrong way, but anyway, irresistible in like big caps. And why is that? Because if you do not have an offer that is by essence different, in a good way, of course, to your competition, well, people are going to look at you guys and they are just going to compare price. And price is not a way to give value. The best way you can give value is actually to add things and to build a value well, without taking out money of the equation. What do I mean by that? If you compare two products, and I see that some sellers are doing it on Amazon, not a lot, of course, they will do better if they did. But for example, let's say they sell you, because I'm into working out, let's say they sell you some dumbbells. Okay, imagine dumbbells. You're looking for dumbbells on Amazon, right? You're typing away, looking for dumbbells, and you see a few different type of dumbbells. Well, what are you actually going to do? You're going to see the one that you like the most, see in that category which ones, okay, which do I really want, and then you're going to battle on price, see which one is the cheapest, right? That's going to be the thing that you're going to be looking for. But imagine that there were two exact same dumbbells, all right? But there was one that actually had a guide with 100 different exercises you can do with it. All of a sudden, you are not looking at two different products, you're looking at two different value propositions. And if the price is the same, and you give me for free the guide with 100 exercises with those dumbbells, I'm taking the one with the exercise and the dumbbells. Now you are not comparing prices, you're comparing offers with different value. And you're not selling a commodity anymore. That gives you the opportunity to get better results and actually get more money for your same products. The guide, the 100 exercise guide, you just made it one time and then you just kind of put it in there and then it's done, You don't have to pay for it anymore. That's an interesting way to add some value. But that's a topic for another episode. Number three, promote like a total maniac. A total maniac. The crazier you go at it, the better. Let me tell you something. You cannot even imagine how much is posted on the internet. If you are just talking about content, the amount of content that's posted every day is humongous. It's not even conceivable for our minds. I think there was that, and it was years ago, so it's maybe double that number compared to right now. But more than 1 billion with a B, like Bob, minutes of YouTube videos are watched every day. And I don't want to say that I applauded because I think it was that, but let me tell you, that's a lot of YouTube videos. And people think, oh, I'm posting one video a month or one video a week on YouTube. That's enough. oh, you're funny. Oh, you're funny. You will never be able to post enough. That's not something that you're like, okay, I'm done posting. I've done enough. People are going to see me now. You can always do more. And there are people saying, yeah, but the algorithm actually pushes you out more if you post less. And I'm saying BS, BS. Like imagine you're in the city and you have one person that has one tiny little poster somewhere, and the guy's like, oh, that's enough. People are going to call me and be like, oh, I'm going to make a lot of money. And then you got the guy, Coca-Cola, that's everywhere on every side of the roads with big things like extremely good looking drinks everywhere on each side of the road. And you think, oh, my little drink is going to, get a few customers. It ain't gonna happen, because the more aggressive you are into the promotion, wherever you're doing a promotion, the more aggressive you can do, the better. And it's all about expanding your mind to see how much more aggressive you can go, because you are not able to conceive it at first, but when you do realize how aggressive you can actually be, you get a ton of results, and you actually are able to get the results that you dream of, which is the most important part of it. Now, guys, this week I've got a very special thing for you guys today. I'm running a special entrepreneurial success summit for every business owner that is looking to 10x their business this year. This year, it's on May 9th to the 13th. It's going to be a summit. I'm going to bring the best entrepreneurs of my entourage, and I want you guys to be a part of that. It's 100% free. You can register and be able to watch this. And if you want to get the link, it's it's not GabrielJulié.com. Changing the link, it's JuliheyMedia.com/summit. JuliheyMedia.com/summit. For you guys on YouTube, you can actually see it on the screen. For you guys on Clubhouse, I think it's way easier for you guys. Sorry, YouTube, but you can actually just click the bubble that's on top of the screen. That's way easier for you guys.